Hi everyone, this is Justin Lindenberg. I am your IT support for TeamUp, an application that steers the Coast and Redwoods and California State Parks is using for our Whale Watch and Seal Watch volunteer programs. I'm really excited to provide an overview and tutorial on how to best use these tools. I'm going to try my best to keep it short. Um, and excited that you're joining us today. Whether you're a volunteer that's worked with us for a long time, um, or a brand new volunteer, we're so thrilled to have you join us, and we look forward to helping you get signed up to get involved. We're also available for questions, so I hope you'll reach out to us. So what I'm going to do is help you get signed up for a shift. So you want to sign up for a whale watch or a seal watch shift. Um, I'm gonna use the metaphor that there's more than one way to peel an onion rather than more than one way to skin a cat. But there's a couple different ways to get to where you're trying to go in the internet. So I've opened a web browser here. For me, this is Google Chrome. You could be using Firefox, Safari, Microsoft Edge. So what we need to get you to do is go to the Whale Watch and or Sea Watch page on our website. I'm going to show you the long way to do that real quick, and then I'll show you the short way. So the long way is go to stewardcr.org, volunteer opportunities, Sonoma Coast volunteer opportunities, and Whale Watch. And so under Whale Watch, you'll see the Whale Watch schedule. Sign up calendar on teamup.com. So that was probably like 3 or 4 clicks to get to this point, and I'll click it just for an example real quick. And this is where we're going to get to. So another way to peel this onion is to just open a browser if you're searching in Google and type in Stewards of the Coast Whale Watch, and you'll get our Whale Watch volunteer program page, and you'll see the Whale Watch schedule to sign up on calendar on teamup.com. So I'm going to click this link again. It's going to be the same as the one that I just opened before. And what you'll see before you here is the Whale Watch calendar. So it's really easy to sign up on TeamUp. The only thing that you need to do is click on the link from the Stewards website page, and then you can sign up for a shift by clicking on the shift that you'd like to sign up for. You can see up here in the top right that there's different ways to look at this, to look at the different shifts. I'm going to go for, let's go for scheduler. Oh, that doesn't look good. 4 weeks, month, year. Let's stick with the month. So to sign up for a whale watch shift, all you have to do is click on the shift that you'd like to sign up for, the date of it, in the yellow highlighted cell. It might be a different color for you, and just click sign up. So you'll see here that Rich and Colleen Draffin have already signed up, as well as Maureen, and some of you might have known from the orientation that Rich and Colleen are coordinators. They'll be your points of contact for when you'd like to sign up. So I'm going to do an example of how to sign up for a Whale Watch shift. All you have to do is click sign up and type in your name. The best thing that you can do is type in your name and phone number and email all in the full name address. So I'll type in Justin Lindenberg, my cell phone, and my email. So including all three of these things makes it so that everybody can see who's going to be there, and allows for everybody that's going to be there to have your contact info should the weather be a little bit nasty, should something come up, should they need to reach out to you. Um, so I included my full name here. I also included my phone number, I also included my email. So if you could include all those three things in the full name box, we'd really appreciate it. And I'll include my email again just for fun. So I'm signing up for a shift on January 20th. I'm gonna hit save. I've signed up. I'm excited. I want to go see some whales. Heard it's a good season. Um, been a little bit wavy. It's been a little bit rainy, but they're coming. So I am done signing up for this whale watch session. So I'm gonna hit X. I can see myself on here. I'll hit X. I can click on it again if I like to check to make sure that I signed up, and it has my phone number, my email, and my name, which is the best thing that volunteer coordinators can have. They get in touch with you um, before or after a shift. We're hopeful to also include their contact information so you can get in touch with them as well. So that might have been a little bit quick. I know um, this might be daunting for folks, and we're here to support you. We really want to make sure that you're successful in being able to sign up for this. So I'm going to go ahead and do it all over again. But instead of signing up for a seal watch shift, or a whale watch shift, sorry, I'm going to sign up for a seal watch shift. So I'm going to start out with a blank browser page. I'm going to show you a couple different ways to skin the onion. And the example for this one is that we're going to sign up for a seal watch shift instead of a whale watch shift. So I'm going to type in to the search browser, my Internet Explorer or Firefox or Chrome or otherwise, Stewards of the Coast and Redwoods Seal Watch. So this is going to help bring me to the Seal Watch page. This is the quicker way to do it. You can also go to stewardsierra.org and go to volunteer opportunities, Cinema Coast volunteer opportunities, and Seal Watch. So the Sea Watch, we don't have the calendar set up yet. It's going to be set up soon, but it's the same thing. You go to the program webpage, you click on the TeamUp, sign up, and we'll just look at last year's calendar to see the shifts that we have. So same thing, you're gonna see available shifts posted on the TeamUp website. They're gonna be on the weekends, Saturday and Sunday. For Seal Watch, we have two locations. We have the Jenner Boat Launch as well as Goat Rock State Beach. It'll look like this for 2024, and all you have to do is click on the shift, click sign up. It says the sign up date has passed. So instead we'll go back to the Well Watch page again and we'll show you another example of signing up on the Whale Watch page. So I think the last time I signed up for a January 20th shift looks about right. So now I'm gonna sign up for a January 21st shift, just like you would. Click on the shift, click on sign up, include your name, your cell phone number, and your email, and go ahead and hit save. And it'll show up so the volunteer coordinators can contact you. This is going to be the same situation with Seal Watch. This is the same view that everybody should see on their computer or their web browser. I'm going to type in my email just for good measure because I want to really make sure that folks are successful with this. I've been working with the volunteer coordinators to try to get everybody up to speed on starting to use this system. It's really helpful for a lot of different reasons. And, you can see my email here. So Justin at stewardsierra.org. My phone number is 262-215-3287. Please let me know if you have any questions about TeamUp. We're excited to use it as a tool. It's shown some promise, and while it might not be the easiest thing for everybody, we're really committed to making sure that everybody feels supported in being able to use it. So if you have questions, I'm offering myself up to help with this. Our volunteer coordinators are getting more and more well versed in it. Um, and more first and foremost, we appreciate you. We appreciate your interest and enthusiasm in volunteering and want to get you out there as soon as possible. So let us know how we can help. Signing up is a great first step. Shadow folks that are more experienced than you, learn from them, and we're happy to support you in your journey and looking forward to offering continuing education and lots of more trainings as we go along. So that's going to be it for now. I want to thank everybody for taking a minute to review this and see a couple times how folks can sign up. And we look forward to having you sign up. Sign up for Whale Watch, uh, sign up for Seal Watch, and thank you so much for all your support. Steers of the Coast and Redwoods and California State Parks really appreciate you. Thank you. Bye.